What we have here is a set of washers. They're made of compressible sort of rubber plastic material. I'm not sure what it is, but they come in sizes from 5/8 all the way on up to 1.5 inches, and they're used on a lathe. And the purpose is to assist in getting those sticky chucks off with ease. I have a real problem with my old rusty lathe. It happens to be a 5/8 chuck, or arbor, 5/8 arbor. And we're just going to put a simple chuck on there, take it off again to see if it makes a difference. This is an old chuck made in mainland China. This is an old lathe made in mainland China. And I don't know where the other chuck is, but this is the kind that you just screw your workpiece to and then put on tape. So I've got my washer in there. That's on. And what happens in my case is the centrifugal force tightens up this chuck so tight that it's really difficult to get off even with a wrench. So we're going to let it run, build up the centrifugal force, let it compress, take it off again by hand and see what happens. Oh, that was easy.